Hello, welcome to Math with Mr. Dobrescu, to the rescue. Let's continue with end of the year assessment review, question 11. And in this question, we have a multi-step equation. And in this case, we have to solve this equation. So it's actually a pretty easy question because we just have to solve the equation and then match one of the answers from the multiple choice answers. And first of all, here we remember anytime we have a parenthesis, we have to use, and this is time, a number and then a parenthesis means times. And because we have parentheses, we are going to use the distributive property. Very, very important for you guys to remember that if we want to get rid of the parentheses, we have to use the distributive property. So let's do the distributive property first, and then probably combine the like terms and then solve for x. Let's do this. 3 times x becomes 3x. 3 times 4 becomes 12. Plus 12 minus 11 equals 28. Okay, so that was our first step. Now let's combine the like terms. So like terms have to be on the same side of the equal sign. So we see here that 12 and negative 11 are like terms. Therefore, we can combine them together. We can simplify it. So if we have 12 and take away 11, we just have the 1. And then we have 3x plus 1, and that equals 28. Now we just have a two-step equation. And now we have to subtract 1 from both sides in order for us to get the x by itself eventually. So minus 1, minus 1. 1 and 1, 1 and negative 1 cancels out. So we have left over with 3x equals 28 minus 1 becomes 27. Okay? Pay attention to these steps, step by step. Okay? Distributive property first, combining like terms, two-step equations. Remember, we have to bring the one on the other side in order for us to isolate the x to be on this side of the equation. And now, opposite of multiplication is division. We have to divide both sides by 3. This becomes a 1x, or just x, equals, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. Because 9 times 3 becomes 27. That's it. X equals 9. And of course, the answer is A. X equals 9. Now, if you want to check your work, remember, you can always plug in 9 into x here. Sorry, I'm going over the problem there, so let's get back to make it a little bit more so you can see it. Let's use another color here. So if we substitute 9, x with 9, we should get a true statement. Okay? So if this is 9, 9 plus 4, okay? 9 plus 4 becomes 13. 13 times 3, we have 13 times 3, 3 times 3, 9, 39. And then 39 take away 11 is 28. And we get a true statement. Okay, 39 minus 11 becomes 28. And we get the true statement. Remember that? This is how we check to make sure that the answer is correct. Thank you all so much for watching. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for question number 12. All the best to you.